Hey, what's up you guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how I did my Izuku makeup. These are my lenses from Unique, so I'll put the link in the description. I'm gonna be starting with my base, which is just primer and concealer. The base is up to you, it's like whatever works best for your skin. I'd probably, like if this was for a con, I'd probably just put like a long wear foundation over top of the primer. But since this was just for photos, I'm just using concealer to cover up like the red spots because my face do be a little rocky right now. And then I'm gonna use this for most of the video. This is nose contour. This palette, this is the Smashbox matte full exposure palette. They don't sell it anymore, like on the Smashbox website. I got mine at Winners, because Winners sells like a lot of older makeup, I guess. I've been using it for a couple of years now, so it's just kind of worked for everything that I really need it to work for. It's like a eyeshadow contour palette. You can use any cream contour or like powder contour. Yeah. I would like to use cream contour. I'll probably try it in the future. I just don't have any. I just use this like eyeshadow stuff. Or even like brown eyeshadow works fine. Like that's what I'm using now. And I'm just doing a really small brown line underneath my eyes to make them a little bit bigger. And then blending it out so it's not too harsh. And for lips, I don't recommend putting concealer all over your lips for male cosplays just because it looks a little weird. So I'm using lipstick. This is the Maybelline matte lipstick. I use this like all the time. It's so good. It lasts forever. Like it doesn't come off. Like I would use this for a convention. And then I go in with my Smashbox palette and line it. I'm concealing a little bit on the corners here just to make my lips a little smaller. And then I'm making them longer by putting just brown eyeshadow in the corners, just for the top lip to make it a little bit longer, just because I feel like it looks a little bit better. And then I kind of like, oh, I'm still on this, bro. Oh, now, yeah, I'm carving out my Cupid's bow to make it a little bit sharper. And onto the freckles. I'm not doing the 4 dots that Izuku has because they look bad. So I'm doing fake freckles in a way that I saw like ages ago on YouTube on someone else's makeup tutorial. I'm just taking the end of my angled brush, like the very tip, like the smallest possible tip, and just dotting it all over my face in a light brown eyeshadow. You want to be really light with this. It doesn't have to be even. It's supposed to be messy. Like the whole point of this is to be messy. I did mess up a little bit though, because like I can't see without my glasses, so some of the freckles are a little bit angled because I'm using an angled brush, but like it's okay. Yeah, literally just put them everywhere. Anywhere they want to go. It is, yes. And I'm patting it down so that they appear a little bit more faint. It also kind of mixes them, like it if you use your fingers, like the oils on your fingers, like kind of pick up the dots and put them like copy and paste kind of, but really faintly. And I'm setting it with my NYX matte finish setting spray before I move on to eyes. So this is what it looks like without like eyeliner or anything. And I'm throwing on some highlight. Any highlight's fine. This one's from Winners. It was really cheap. And some on my lips too. And now for the KVD bleach brow. I'm coating my eyebrows, my eyebrow hairs, so that I can go over with green eyeshadow. This stuff I use all the time. It's so good. If you want to cover your brows but they're really thick, just do this. And then this is my BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette. It has so many colors and they're so pigmented, and it was $20. Literally $20. Like plus shipping. I use it all the time. It's really good for cosplay because the colors are really pigmented. But yeah, this is what it's looking like over top of the bleach brow. On top of my, like, almost black eyebrows. So if you're like, yo, my eyebrows are so thick, like, I'm not gonna be able to make them a different color, you're lying. You can. It just takes a lot of practice. Okay, eyeliner, any eyeliner is fine. It's like whatever works for you. I'm using a Sephora pen brush thing. It's like felt pen eyeliner. I'm starting from the outer corner because that's what works best for my eye shape. And that's just what I'm used to. And Izuku's eyes are more like round, so I tried not to make them too sharp. And I did go over a little, like, on my eyelid. And I'm drawing a line underneath to make my eyes look bigger. I do this for most of my cosplays. Mostly just like anime characters. And I'm throwing orange eyeshadow, the same palette that I showed earlier. It's like so pigmented. I like brushed it over, like I barely put anything on the brush. Like, you don't need a lot. I did this just to give like his eyes some color. Because before it was like just so bland. So. And then I'm going over top of the eyeliner with the green eyeshadow. This was really experimental. I didn't know if it would work or not. I was just doing it for fun. But yeah, like I made the eyeliner and then I do my eyelashes later, but the camera cuts off. But I coat the eyelashes in the bleach brow and then I make them green with the eyeshadow. Oh, I'm doing that right here. Yeah, sorry guys, cut off like later, but yeah. I don't know. This would be cool for like, maybe I'll do this more in the future with other colors and see how it works. But yeah, I thought this was fun with the green. Anyways, yeah, this is what it looked like when I was done. Also, this wig was from Amazon. It was pretty good. I'll link it in the description. It was really cheap. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts on anything in the comments. But yeah, have a good day. Bye.